In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an attachment to email in Microsoft Outlook. We'll walk through the process from the Outlook mailbox screen all the way to selecting the file you want to include in your message. This is a very useful skill if you need to send documents, images, spreadsheets, or other files along with an email. To begin, make sure you are in the Mail section of Outlook. This is the main area where you can view your inbox, sent messages, and drafts. Starting here helps ensure you're in the right place before creating a new message. Next, click on New. This opens the options for creating something new inside Outlook. If you're following along in the web version, this is usually easy to spot near the top of the screen. After that, click on Mail. This opens a brand new email draft where you can begin composing your message. Once the draft window appears, you'll be ready to add content like the recipient, subject line, body text, and of course, your attachment. Now, look for the Insert tab and click on it. The Insert menu is where Outlook groups options for adding extra elements to your message, including files, pictures, and other content. If you don't immediately see it, just take a moment to scan the toolbar at the top of the message window. From there, click on Attach File. This tells Outlook that you want to include a file with your email. Attaching a file is helpful when the information you want to share is already saved on your device and doesn't need to be copied directly into the email body. Next, click on Browse this computer. This will open your device's file browser so you can search through your folders and locate the item you want to send. A good tip here is to know where your file is saved before you start, since that makes the process much faster and avoids attaching the wrong document by mistake. Then, select the file you want to attach. Once selected, Outlook will begin adding it to the email. You should see the file appear in your message draft, which confirms that the attachment has been included successfully. Before sending, it's always a good idea to quickly double check that you attached the correct file and that it finished loading properly. That small review can save time and prevent follow-up emails later. And that's it. You now know how to add an attachment to an email in Microsoft Outlook.